G2s. So today I want to challenge you to use a program called Scratch to program something really fun and suitable because it's Christmas coming up or winter holidays coming up. So here is my challenge for you. I want you to program Scratch so that you have a wizard, you have a polar bear, and when you click on the flag, this is what happens. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you how to do it, but I will give you some tips. And in the end, I want you to try to do something just like this. Okay, so wizard with his magic wand making this polar bear shrink when I press this. All right, so first of all, Scratch is a programming app that I've just added. If you've heard of Hopscotch or Daisy the Dinosaur, this is a very similar app, but I like this much better because this is very easy and simpler to use. So it looks like a blue background with a cat in it. So I'm going to go in and I will show you just some basic functions of Scratch first before you guys take up the challenge. So I will start a new project. And as you can see, it will give you a cat to begin with, and you don't want that. So to take the cat away, you need to click on the orange. Oops, let me try it again. Click on this orange icon, hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, until this X comes up, and then take it away. So then you can add new characters. So I'm just going to quickly add a chicken, and then I will add a pig. Okay, so I have 2 characters. Now the background, you can change it, and I will change it into a completely different one first. You need to select it and click on the check mark. And I will place the pig here, and I'll place the chicken here. Now, to get the chicken to be doing something, you need to select the chicken so that it's highlighted in orange. And at the bottom, right now it's blank, so you need to give it some instructions, okay? So the first important instruction that you must have is, okay, how is it going to know when to start moving? Well, if I click on this yellow icon, you have different ways, okay? You can make it start on the green flag. You can make it start when you tap on the chicken. This one is an important one you will need to keep in mind. So if something bumps onto the chicken, then an action will happen. So for instance, if the pig, so let's say, so this is what happens. So if I move the pig, you see that? If the pig bumps onto the chicken will go forward. As long as it's touching something, it's going to go forward. So there are 3 ways that an action can start, okay? And this is a big hint because you will need to know this for later. So I'm going to drag this down. That means when I click on this green flag, this chicken is going to do something. Well, what is it going to do? Then I'm going to go to the blue action panel, and I'm going to select some things that the chicken will do. So I will make the chicken go right, maybe 4 times. Okay, so let's test it out and see what happens when I click on the... Okay, good. Now to restart it, you need to click on the circle, and I will also make the chicken go back. Okay, so let me try it again. There we go. Now, there's actually a shortcut because this is actually really, really long, right? So I'm going to take, so to delete some of the box, you can just make it go up. So to make it go 4 times, okay, have you guys figured out how to make a shortcut yet? You can actually just type 4, and then you can go back, how many times? 4 times. So let's see what happens, whether it's the same result. Okay, so let's say, so this is pretty good. Let's say if you want the chicken to go back and forth forever, not just stopping here, there's another way. So you can actually read what it says when you tap on the icon. So I'm going to put this repeat forever icon or instruction last. So let's see what happens. Notice that it repeats forever. It just keeps going on and on and on. So I'm going to stop it. And next, I'm going to program the pig. Again, I'm going to make the pig start when I click on the flag, and then I'm going to make the pig shrink. So to find the shrink one, you can watch. So this is grow, this is shrink, this is reset. So there are other things that you can try too. So let's try this one and see what happens, okay? So let's read this instruction. So when I click on the flag, it should, what should it do? It should hide. So let's see what happens. Reset. There we go. So now that you know how to get started, I would like you guys to start a project. You can maybe try it out for 10, 5 to 10 minutes first, and then try to program Scratch so that you've got the polar bear shrinking just like this. Do you think you can all give it a try?